I really want to become a hygienist and was hoping you could give me some advice about entering the program.
Hey Dee, I'm Cameron. I am one of the dental hygiene students, and I'm more than happy to help you. You actually just picked me at a perfect time because we're all practicing in the sim lab right now. Why don't you come on in and we'll help answer some of those questions. You can come on in and have a seat. Hey everybody, this is Dee. She's interested in joining the program, so when we all gather around, I figured we could just answer some of her questions she had. So what do you guys think is the most important thing about applying for this program?
Check the website!
Yes, definitely check the website. That's going to be where you find all of your information, and it's going to help you sort of guide you along the correct path to make sure you know what you're doing. Jennifer, what would you say is the most important thing about the selective admissions?
So it's not easy to get accepted, but it's also not impossible. The school can only take the top 15 students each year, so it's important that you work hard and make really good grades. The higher your GPA, especially in those science courses, then the better your chances. There are 38 coursework hours you have to complete before you can apply, and these are all listed on the website. They even have a course sequence plan that you can follow so you can make sure you're on the right track.
And definitely don't forget the T.E.A.S test. The T stands for Test of Essential Academic Skills. It is a standardized test that it's designed to identify the strongest applicants for this program, and definitely try to take all of your science courses first so that you can make the best score possible.
So basically just make sure you're checking on that website, because again, that's where you're going to find all that information, and make sure you're looking back from it from time to time, because sometimes there are changes and that's going to be the first place that they post that. Also, if you have any other questions, you can definitely just ask the faculty. All of their email addresses are also listed on the program website, and they also have a little picture next to their email so you know exactly who you're emailing.
So what is it like once you begin the program?
I've got this one. It's really busy. You'll start out spending most of your time in the classroom, but you'll see your first patient by the end of your first semester. So it's a lot of information, but it's all focused on making sure that you become a successful dental hygienist. You have to be able to take the information that you learn in the classroom and apply it here in the simulation lab. So the sim lab is where you'll be able to develop the skills and techniques that you need to be able to use dental hygiene instruments. Once you've proven that you can do this, you'll move into the clinic where you start treating real patients. By the end of your last semester, you'll be spending almost all of your time providing patient care and honing your skills to make sure that you're successful when you take your national board examination.
And to add on to that, to become a licensed practicing dental hygienist, you have to pass those 2 board examinations. The first one being a written test called the National Board, where you're tested on your knowledge on all things dental hygiene related. The second one is a clinical exam called credits, where you're cleaning patients' teeth based on specific criteria. It sounds like a lot, but the instructors really give you all the tools necessary to be successful.
Wow, I'm so glad I was able to talk with you guys today. You have been such great help. It's kind of overwhelming, but thank you for the information.
I know it sounds like a lot, but I promise you it's totally worth it, and if you're determined, you can definitely get through it.
Absolutely.
Also, you can't just think about it, this isn't just like a program that you're just applying for just to get a job. This is a really proud profession, and we need a lot of hygienists like you, so I hope that you'll be applying soon.